Check this out. Look at this, yo. He cracked that. What's up, YouTube? So right now, I'm doing an oil change in the Ford. Then we got my coworker's boyfriend coming over with his 2 kids, and they're gonna come off-roading with us, and we're taking his Jeep. Now he has like this crazy build on it. I'm actually gonna be doing a little documentary because that's how cool it is. And Hannah Ray is going off-roading with us. She's taking Betsy, and Joey's coming along for the ride with her.
Yep.
So very big update. There's something missing. There's something missing here. Babe, what's missing?
Talk about it.
What's missing?
I don't know.
Guys, I sold Teggy.
Teggy turned into a Kia.
Yeah, Teggy turned into a Kia. No, but for real, I sold Teggy to this really nice kid in Livingston. Shout out to him. His name is Daniel. He actually might see this, so hi Daniel. So sold it, and he's gonna take good care of her. I made sure of it. So did Hannah Ray. Alright guys, so here with Joe and his 2 kids. You can't really see them. But we're in the Jeep now. We're heading to the trails, and it's gonna be a good time. Check out how high up we are. We're like level with Betsy's trunk. Alright, so we're here at the entrance to the trail. We got a walkie set up. Right now Joe's setting up. He's got a camera mounted on the windshield, and we're able to see it right to his phone. So we're set. Alright, check that out. That's the view from the camera. Right there. So what's this app do?
What? It's an inclinometer, so it'll tell you what the pitch of your Jeep is. Okay. Your vehicle, is it too far up, too far down?
Okay.
Left, right.
What?
So you don't roll.
That's sick.
I have no idea.
Check it out. How long have we been here? Like 5 minutes?
Shut up. I only went through there because I went through it yesterday.
I know.
I started to drive through it and I was like, the middle's way too high.
Dude, this thing looks like such a beast. Look at that. We need to get a truck like this.
We will. We just don't have money.
Winch. Got a controller. Yeah, she's got a ball that we can hook it up to.
No, don't worry about it.
Sure?
Yep.
Okay. I wasn't sure what you were.
What is this, a 12,000 pound winch?
This one's 9. I gotta put my 12 in.
Okay.
When I got a 12,000 pound winch at home.
Yeah.
I'm putting a 12,000 pound winch on the front, and I'm getting a hitch mount so I can put this one on the back so I can pull myself out if I need to backwards.
Cool.
Put in for it.
Alright. This poor dude over here, his bike broke down. We just bought it. I feel bad for this kid over here. He said he just bought it today.
Sucks.
I know.
Looks brand new.
Yeah. We can do it.
4 low.
So am I.
Ah.
Oh.
I got my sway bar disconnected.
My legs are probably gone.
Have a steering
Alright, I guess, well, do you think it's too muddy for me to go back there?
I don't know, it might be. I don't know
I
if
feel like we can just have fun here.
you sure?
Yeah.
If you get stuck, I'll pull you out.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
I got a winch.
Bet.
Alright. Oh, it's sliding, that's why. Oh, there you go. That's wild. Alright, you're good right there. Oh my gosh.
Come around.
Check this out. Yo. He cracked that. Dude, that's a healthy cracking, man. I wish I had my camera. That's crazy.
I got it.
Go more to the left. Yeah, right there. Nah, it's slipping. That's crazy.
Don't fall in my car, please. Whoa.
That's wild. Yeah, you think we're gonna do it?
Is it deep?
Nah, because there's not enough room for me to get up on the other side. It's not wide enough.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Dirt bikes and quads can make it through there, not my car.
That's too
Too
bad.
wide.
Tow truck.
It's there.
Tow truck. Well, we did bring an axe.
Oh, there's the rope swing.
Rope swing. Yay, right there.
Hey guys, we found the rope swing.
Why is there a rope swing in the middle of the
The rope swing.
Hello. Is it in like an open field? That's where you are.
Why is there a rope swing
Yeah, so, whoa. So if you go down that hill, and then go immediately right, it's there. Dude, I've never been here before. Oh, yeah, they're there, right? Just follow him. We're getting some crazy outside views.
This thing looks like a huge monster. Like when it comes at you. Oh, is he doing that?
Yeah, he's coming out.
How steep is it on the other side coming down?
Let me see. It's hard to tell. Ray. Yo. Dude, he's crazy. These hills.
This is crazy.
Yeah, he's got
What's going on?
He's got this app.
He's sideways.
Yeah, he's got this app on his phone that shows you the pitch and like the
Are you serious?
and everything. So like you know like at the tipping point like
Yeah.
when you're there. That's like wild. I don't know what he's trying to do though. Like is he trying to mow it down or is he trying to get up?
Freaking sideways.
Oh, he got it. Good job. That's crazy. Yo. All right, guys. So
At 9.
So Joe and the kids are just going around and around and
Oh, he's
around,
coming up.
having fun, and we're just chilling here. But basically, this makes me really want a Jeep, and I never thought I'd say that before. But that thing's a beast. Just
You can build Betsy like that.
dude, it's an
You don't need a
absolute
Jeep.
beast. Check this out. Look at that. That looks fun.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
I am.
Yeah, and then you can watch it.
I know what you should call it.
What should I call it?
Real life, real life.
Wait, you're actually
Joseph,
YouTuber?
I'm trying to talk. What you're doing? Real life woods adventure and tricks.
All right, you know what? I'll name it that just because you told me to. What are we hung up on? Oh.
So he's on a rock?
No, we're like bottomed out completely.
It rolling?
Yeah,
Oh.
it looked like y'all were gonna roll back there, but I knew like it wasn't gonna happen.
All right, anyways. So we got up. Can you see the flashlight? All right, so we started down here. We made our way up. More and more and more.
Oh, yeah.
We made it to the very top here. And
Like that?
then we got hung up on the ground. So like,
It's all like its front suspension and undercarriage that's stuck.
yeah, it's all in the front.
What's going on?
I'm hung up.
So how we getting out?
Winch.
Winch it?
For what?
Tree?
Tree.
Dude, so we're pulling out the winch line here.
Oh, it's a good thing we put on
Look
bug
how
spray.
long this is.
I think that's
Is that it?
There.
You got more?
What happens when the tree comes out?
We find another tree. There you go. And that's why you have a winch.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? What are we evaluating?
Yeah. Just making sure everything's still there.
Yeah. So my dad was doing a brake change, a front brake change on my car. And that was like a day or two after I went off-roading back there. He's like, your sway bar links are gone. They're just gone. And I was like, oh, I went off-road.
Yeah, my old Jeep, I had the manual disconnects for the sway bar links.
Uh-huh.
And this one's got it electronic.
Oh,
Awesome.
that's really
That-
cool.
Dude, this thing has literally everything.
Except the stick.
Okay, yeah, yeah, but
That target ball was the first time I flexed up on something with it, so.
Oh.
no way.
Yeah. Alright, let me get these kids home to
All right,
bed.
man.
Yeah,
Alright,
that was
good to see
great.
you.
Yeah, good to see you too.
See you guys later.
Yep.
Yep, see ya.
Cool.
Okay guys, so that's it for tonight. That was a lot of fun. That Jeep can do like anything. Literally. It has everything, it could do anything.
It was cool.
That was, it makes me really want a Jeep. I never thought I'd say that. And his kids were awesome.
Yeah, I love his kids.
They're so funny. They're asking me all about YouTube and stuff, and I was telling them.
They're asking about that silver play button, so
Yeah, they're like, when you getting the silver play button?
get us subscribers.
So yeah.
Make
For
us
the kids,
happy.
for the kids. Everyone subscribe to me for the kids so I can get that silver play button and make them happy. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.